Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss and study why use Arduino. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you are new to my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to acknowledge the website of our Arduino that can be reached in arduino.cc for this material. So why Arduino? Thanks to its simple and accessible user experience, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. The Arduino software is easy to use for beginners yet flexible enough for advanced users. It runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Teachers and students use it to build local scientific instruments, to prove chemistry and physics principles, or to get started with programming and robotics. Designers and architects build interactive prototypes. Musicians and artists use it for installations and to experiment with new musical instruments. Makers, of course, use it to build many of the projects exhibited at the Maker Fair. For example, Arduino is a key tool to learn new things. Anyone, children, hobbyists, artists, programmers can start tinkering just following the simple step-by-step instructions of a kit or sharing ideas online with other members of the Arduino community. There are many other microcontrollers and microcontroller platforms available for physical computing. Parallax Basic Stamp, NetMedia's BX24, Fidgets, MIT's Sandyboard, and many others offer similar functionality. All of these tools take the messy details of microcontroller programming and wrap it up in an easy-to-use package. Arduino also simplifies the process of working with microcontrollers, but it offers some advantage for teachers, students, and interested amateurs over other systems. Inexpensive. Arduino boards are relatively inexpensive compared to other microcontroller platforms. The least expensive version of the Arduino module can be assembled by hand, and even be pre-assembled Arduino modules cost less than $50. Cross-platform. Arduino software IDE runs on Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux operating systems. Most microcontroller systems are limited to Windows. Simple, clear programming environment. The Arduino software IDE is easy to use for beginners yet flexible enough for advanced users to take advantage of as well. For teachers, it's conveniently based on the processing programming environment, so students learning to program in the environment will be familiar with how the Arduino IDE works. Open source and extensive software. The Arduino software is published as open source tools available for extension by experienced programmers. The language can be expanded through C++ libraries, and people wanting to understand the technical details can make the leap from Arduino to the AVRC programming language on which it's based. Similarly, you can add AVRC code directly into your Arduino programs if you want to. Open source and extensible hardware. The plans of Arduino boards are published under the Creative Commons license, so experienced circuit designers can make their own version of the module, extending it and improving it. Even relatively inexperienced users can build the breadboard version of the module in order to understand how it works and save money. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation why we choose Arduino in creating our own application based on microcontrollers. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.